Hi, my name is Jade, and today we'll be talking about legal systems. So first, we'll discuss what a legal system is, which is a procedure or process for interpreting and enforcing the law while elaborating the rights and responsibilities in different ways. In business, understanding the legal system of a country you are trying to do business with is important because it identifies the various obligations of all parties involved. So there are a few different systems, but we will be looking at the three main ones. So the three main types of legal systems today are civil law, common law, and religious law. Civil law is based off of detailed laws which are organized into codes. Common law is based on tradition, custom, and precedent. And religious law is based on religious teachings or religious texts. Common law and civil law are often confused for one another, but are actually pretty different. So in this little graphic here, we see that in common law, judges interpret the laws as they see fit, as opposed to civil law, where judges apply laws as they are. So democracy is an example of utilizing both elements of common and civil law, along with other mixed systems. Religious law is a bit more straightforward, where the legal system and its rules are based off of the predominant religion in a country. So legal systems in different countries. So we have Armenia as an example that uses civil law. The United States uses primarily common law, which is based on the English common law. And Iran uses a religious legal system based on secular and Islamic law. Also, where Islamic law is one of the most widely used religious legal system. So, how are contracts enforced and whose laws apply in disputes with different systems? So first, a contract. They set up a contract, which is a document that specifies the condition under which exchanges are to occur and the details and rights of parties involved. And then we get into contract law, which is a body of law that governs contract enforcement, which is referred to during disputes. Finally, whose law should apply in a contract dispute. And this is where we have the United Nations Convention on Contracts for the International Sale of Goods, IGS. They have a set of rules governing certain aspects of making and performance of every day for businesses who have business in different nations. So, how does this affect the economy and business managers? Understanding the different legal systems in different countries is beneficial for many reasons. For one, it is important that as a manager you are aware of how other countries conduct their affairs so that you will be able to figure out the best way to increase profits and decrease resistance and such. For managers who are involved on the international scale, they also take into account political and economic risks alongside legal risks. They incorporate all three into a plan to effectively communicate and distribute their product to the world. Alright, that's my presentation. Thank you.